Good morning! Today we are going to learn how to log in and use Schoology. This school year we're going to use Schoology for creating and uploading assignments, assessments, messaging between me and students, me and parents. This will be a great way to stay connected this year. We are not going to use Seesaw. We have decided as a district for our K-6 online school to move forward with one learning platform, which will be Schoology. There have been some updates made over the summer that are pretty cool, actually, and I think that you'll enjoy using it. If you have not logged into Schoology, you'll see this screen when you open. If you don't have this downloaded on your child's iPad, please do so from our self-service center. We'll log in through our school. Our school name is Spring Lake Park Online. Oops. Here we are. And when we log in, we are going to log in with your child's district username, not the full email. I'm going to log in as one of our students, John, and his username is 34JSZYPE. Not going to include the @MyPanthers. And then I'll type in his password. And log in. This first page will have communications and some important info for you as a family. John is going to click down here. Try to move this up a little bit. Down here, that will show him all of his different courses that he's enrolled in. Our section today is Section 2, K-6 SLP Online. I will be adding a picture to this so it's easier to find. Okay. And here's today's work. This will be used for all assignments this week. And the first folder, everything here is in order that we'll be using today. This first video will help students understand how they can respond to assignments. Here are all of the links and the schedule for today. You'll have to double click on that again. And I'll go through all of this in the next video once you log into Schoology. I just wanted to send out this tutorial so you can help your child log into the program, and then we'll start to use it.